Stop sneezes instantly. Stop a sneeze before it even starts, just by using your tongue. Most people think sneezes are unstoppable, but there's a secret your body's been hiding from you. When you feel that tickle in your nose, press your tongue firmly against the roof of your mouth for a few seconds. This simple move interrupts the nerve signals that trigger the sneeze reflex, almost like hacking your own biology. It doesn't matter if you're in a silent classroom, a crowded elevator, or right before a big presentation, this trick works fast and discreetly. No more scrambling for tissues or awkward apologies. Next time you're about to sneeze at the worst possible moment, remember, your tongue is the ultimate life hack.